No, don't give him a knife. That was sloppy. Now that I can't kill cows.
What are you doing?
You man, put that knife up.
He's gonna cut himself?
Oh, come on.
Oh God, see? You don't pick up hitchhikers anymore. Ew, he's deep in there. Holy crap. I mean, he's obviously with the chainsaw guy, but is he the grave robber? Or just a crazy guy who works at the slaughterhouse?
Drinking coffee, watching